Okay, the audio panel has C1 for COM 1, COM 2. These are your listing points. Right over here, this knob can be selected for COM 1, COM 2, COM 1, COM 2 split with you on COM 1 and me on COM 2, or COM 2, COM 1 with you on COM 2 and me on COM 1.
Okay.
Okay, and you just do that by turning these little switches. Now once it goes to one of those two, then there's no intercom between the two of us because we're talking on different frequencies.
Okay.
If you're set to COM 1,
don't worry, it's still on.
If you're set to COM 1,
yeah,
it'll tell you that it's on COM 1 and that's what you're listening to. If you want to listen to COM 2, you can just push that button.
Hear both.
And then you're hearing both, but you're still only transmitting on the one that's selected with your knob.
Okay.
Okay. If you switch to COM 2 and you had COM 2 selected before for listening, then it will just show just COM 2.
Okay.
Okay. When you're tracking VORs, like you have down here on these two radios here, so this VOR here registers right here. This is its indicator.
Okay.
This VOR right here, the nav, so that's nav 1 because it's the first radio in the stack. Nav 2 is that indicator right over here.
Okay.
Okay. The GPS shows on this indicator down here.
Oh, okay.
All right. Once you dial in the frequency for a VOR, then you come up, make sure that this one's pulled or this is set to ident because it says here for pull for ident.
Okay.
Okay. Then you come up and you push N1 or N2. So
okay.
nav 1 or nav 2.
So we can hear the Morse code.
So you can hear the Morse code.
Okay.
Okay. When you're setting the GPS, we'll start out by enter. We're not going to, when it's doing the GPS or the tests right now, it's actually telling us what's happening on this indicator over here.
Okay.
Okay. So right now, we're going to just skip that. And we're back to nav. We're going to set a flight plan. And today we're going to be doing a flight plan that's going to go to Shelton, right?
The final destination, yeah. We'll stop at Jefferson in between.
Okay, so actually let's just, nope, that's not what I want. Flight plan. Turn to the big knob back 1 and it says select to create a new flight plan. We'll press select and we're going to call it we're going to give it a new name. And where are we headed?
Jefferson and then Shelton.
What's Shelton's identifier?
SHN.
SHM. So
no, N is in November.
Okay.
Sierra Hotel November.
So S, then the big knob moves to the next spot. H. N and hit enter.
Okay.
There is a duplicate plan name. Okay, so let's go back to nav, go to flight plan. Let's use our big knob and turn till we find SHN. There it is.
Oh, okay.
And the little knob allows us to see what it's, oh, look, it's already in there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that's the one we want. We're going to hit select. Nope. Go back, nav, flight plan. Come to SHN. When it says inactive, we're going to hit select, make it active.
Okay.
Did you notice anytime I want to get back, I just hit the nav button and then come back and go through the sequence again.
Okay.
Now, now it's telling us that's our active, and we can still scroll through our different waypoints.
Okay.
Okay. Once we're on nav, I like to go to map. The little knob right here sets the track. That shows how much is showing on the screen.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't show the track. It shows the
radius,
the number of miles for the screen.
Okay.
Track is our course across the ground. Bearing is the heading to get to the next station.
Okay. All right.
Okay. And this little number right down here tells us how many degrees we are offset from our actual course. So 0.04 nautical miles. So it's probably somewhere from the center point of the airport to where it was going.
I see. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.